Namaste friends, I am Guruji from Trading Emotion channel. Welcome to you all for a new week, my intraday trade setup. Today, 23 January 2023. Time is 6:27. We are going to try what these profiles are providing a information for my trade. Okay, this is market profile, normal profile. Actually this is a normal profile. There is a split profile. Every day what we do some split profile, and based on that we do the analysis. But in split profile there is no information I am getting from split profile, so that I just this normal profile plotted and trying to get some information. Based on that we'll plan our trade setup. See, why we are more focused on this market profile? Why? That is first question, right? So everything available here in this candlestick. Okay, in this candlestick everything is available. Am I right? This is a nifty future continuation chart. Everything is available here, and this is a day chart. Whatever you are seeing in trading view, this is a day chart. Everything is very clear here, right? But there is a small nuances, small objective type of information. That information will lead you to clear target, exact target, pinpoint target you will get. That's why we are more happy and more loving this market profile chart. That is the main advantage of this market profile. Okay, whatever you are seeing in the candlestick day chart, this is also a day chart. Okay, this entire split profile we merged into the normal profile. Now what is the strategy? See, in this chart I am getting the information that this AB power low is ultra weak now. Now it is a ultra weak. Why? I will tell you. Okay, why? You people are know, market profile traders, my students are aware about that. This is a one tick, just one tick shy above this particular day low. Okay, this particular day low, this B tick is one tick shy. So this is a pakka poor low. This is one information. Okay, and second information, this K period low also. This K period low and L period high, these two are weak now. K period low, this day A period just one tick above, they reversed now, even though the end of the day, but they took support at this A period one tick above, one tick shy. So these two references is a what to say weak now for targeting downside, to targeting downside. Okay, then in upper side, this is this is not, now it is not a weaker ultra weak, but it will become ultra weak when the market coming some territory, that we can discuss. Why here this A is poor high? Poor high means this is exactly this day's close was here, and just one tick above this rejection was happened, one tick shy. Okay, so these all learnings you will learn on the market profile, or you will learn on our students group. If you want to learn, if you want to become a good independent trader, you can join our market profile course. You can ping me in individual. So the last session was we cancelled, so I am planning to start a new batch on coming days. And this market profile will give you this type of good information, very good information. If you like our channel, please click the like button, click the bell icon, then only whenever I am posting the video you will get that video. Please share this our channel to your friend circle, maximum share. I need maximum support from you all people, so maximum share to your friend circle, relatives who are all interested to learn market profile or learn market nuances, then trade individual. They wants to become an individual trader. If you wants to become a long-term trader, then this is the platform. Join our course. And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel. Now we got two references on the downside, one references on the top side for our target. Now what could be the thought process for the day? So I will, if market opening gap up, if this is the first thought process, if market opening gap up, any acceptance on these 2 days high, any acceptance on these 2 days high, what is that? 180 level, 180 level, I will scalp towards this high, 230. Okay, then whenever the market clearing this high 230, I will sit for a long towards 18,340, 18,320, you can take it 320. Okay, this is my first thought process on the acceptance above this 2 days high. But this 2 days high not a weaker one. Okay, even though poor high mentioned here, that is a chart normally plot that, but this is one scenario. If market opening here and moving up, any rejection from this particular territory, I will go for a short. Why? Because the L period high is weak, the K period low also a weaker references for me. Okay, this K period low also weak for me. So I will give more probability if any rejection was happening and coming down, then I will sit for a short PE. This could be the direct target for me. So what is this target? This is a 18,030. So any rejection from 18,160, 150, this range, we don't know where the market will open. So if market opening here and any rejection, and I will directly target this low. This low is weak. So this low, how to clear on the gap up case. This is a scenario for gap up case on the upside and the downside. Any flat opening, market moving up. Okay, any rejection from again this territory. Why I am trying to PE? Why? Because there is a two poor references on the downside. That's why I am focused on the PE side. Why? Because once any rejection was happening here, then I will directly go for this single print 17,960. This single print I will sit for a single print. Then any acceptance here, I directly go for this low 17,830, 830 to 810 level, 820, 810 level. I will sit for the PE side. So these are the strategies where market opening flat. If market opening flat moving up also, I will not jump into the CE immediately. I will wait to accept in these two highs. Above this two high only I will sit for the long. Otherwise I won't sit for the long position in terms of flat opening and moving up. So in the flat opening, I will try to understand what market providing a live information. Based on the live information, my thought process will change. See one thing, we are an intraday player and we are an option buyer. It's a pakka option buyer group we are running. Okay, so option buyer should change the mind based on the market information. You don't negotiate, don't fight with the market. I will sit only on PE, I will sit only on CE, I will target this target. Okay, so don't do the that type of fight with the market. You have to change. Wherever market going, you join with the market and travel with the market. Enjoy the travel with the green dress. So this is my intraday trade setup. Thank you very much.